Hello, everyone. I'm here today with an update for Tronmoon. Today is September 6, 2021. And the reason I'm doing this update a little bit early is because I was checking the Tronmoon contract. And as you can see, it's starting to decline a little bit. It still has 767,381.26 TRX, which is the equivalent of 79,126.85 US dollars. They're tracking 8,500 or so transactions. And then just as if you can recall, this contract launched July 27th of this year. But it is starting to decline. So what I'm going to do is do another withdrawal. If you haven't been with us, this smart contract has a 35% auto redeposit. And it had an anti-dumping protection system. However, just with most smart contracts, once investors start to withdraw their own investment, that's perfectly fine. The contract can't survive without the input of the community. But in this case, it looks like it is on the decline. So I'm going to go ahead and withdraw. You have to make the decision to withdraw based on your own circumstance and then just go from there. But just make sure that you're able to watch the contract balance over the next couple of days and make your decisions from there. So I think on the last update, they were still fairly up there in the millions as far as deposits. As you can see, they had a total TRX deposit a little over 7.5 million, with 5.4 million being withdrawn. And this is spread across 1,303 investors to date. So we're going to go ahead and do our withdrawal, and then, as you know, there's an automatic 35% reinvestment, and that'll refresh here. So you can see that we have 701.4499 TRX reinvested. We'll have to check with the Telegram group for Tronmoon to see how they are mitigating the withdrawals. And we'll see if it's still here for 6 more days. So I hope that it is. I hope for you guys that do have an investment in it, that you make the right decision that's right for you. But for now, I will talk to you soon. Happy investing, safe investing, and remember, don't invest more TRX than you can afford to lose, because you're at risk of losing all or some of your total investment. Until next time, see you then.